Safety First Swing Shut Toilet Lock by Safety First is one of the best sellers among baby bathroom safety products. Plastic. Imported. Sanitary one-hand operation. Automatic Lowry locks when lid is lowered. Secure adhesive mounting. Features easy-to-use adhesive so no drilling or removal of lid is required. Secure Tech Locking Indicator. This product is for use on hard toilet lid and seat assemblies only. It is not intended for use on soft or padded lids or seats. When properly installed, the toilet lid should lift no more than 1 5-inch. Safety First Swing Shut Toilet Lock. This suction-mounted lock is easy to install and locks into position when the toilet lid is shut. You can open it easily, and the Secure Tech Indicator will help you know if it is locked or not. It provides an easy way to prevent children from throwing things into the toilet. Why you'll love it. Safety First Swing Shut Toilet Lock is easy to use and will help lock the toilet lid so that children cannot open it. Automatically relocks when lid is lowered. One-hand operation. Help keep curious children from opening the lid with the Swing Shut Toilet Lock from Safety First. Sanitary, one-hand operation.